Good evening. This is TVS World News. Keep watching. The Dayak community can now heave a sigh of relief after the police clarified that licenses for shotgun, which are part of their culture, will not be revoked. Deputy Chief Minister Tan Sri Dato' Amar Dr. James Jimut Masing said the police had shown understanding and reacted promptly to concerns raised by the Dayak community on this matter. With this in mind, he hoped the Dayak community will continue looking at rifles as their prized heirloom and avoid using it for means which are against the law. Meanwhile, it was reported on Friday that shotguns will not be included in the directive for the revocation of rifle ownership licenses to be implemented in stages by the police. Tourism, Arts and Culture Minister Dato' Abdul Karim Rahman Hamzah said the agreement on direct flights to Hainan to be signed by him this February in China may be delayed. He said this came about in view of the outbreak of the coronavirus and suggested that the flight operations be delayed.
Baru-baru ini kita baru menandatangani MOU dengan Hainan dan dijangka bermula penerbangan daripada Haikou Hainan mungkin dalam bulan 4 bulan 5 dan sepatutnya saya pergi ke Hainan bulan 2 ni untuk main agreement yang ditandatangani. Tapi memandangkan keadaan seperti ini berlaku, kita akan melihat sama ada untuk put on hold sekejap perkara ini ataupun menandatangani perjanjian penuh dengan Hainan dan melihat bagaimana apa yang berlaku dalam jangka masa yang dekat.
In the meantime, he agreed that border checkpoints be tightened if the outbreaks became more serious and hoped that the outbreak will see relief in the near future.
Itu kita melihat keadaan bagaimana yang akan menjadi lebih buruk atau tidak. We just hope, kita berharap yang keadaan akan reda dan sekiranya perlu, saya kemungkinan kita perlu melakukan seperti itu sekiranya yang merebak dengan cepat dan keadaannya menjadi lebih kondusif.
Meanwhile, hoping for the outbreak to pass, Dato' Abdul Karim Rahman Hamzah said Sarawak tourist arrivals might be slightly affected due to the outbreak of coronavirus, or better known as Wuhan virus, in China. According to Abdul Karim, the spread of the virus will slightly affect the tourism industry as it can cause tension amongst the people and visitors. He added the state government is monitoring the situation and hopes the situation will return to normal soon. And that concludes the English news for today. I'm Shira Abamanso for TV Sarawak. Thank you for watching.